Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. Just finished up another ball field job, renovation, brought in right at 50 tons of material and graded everything out, and it's looking really good now. Love this part of my job. When I get a ball field, I just get up and I'm just like, I am ready to get to work. I can't get there fast enough. So we'll show you the process on how we did that, but first I want to tell you something. I got some really good news. I mean, just like incredibly good news. You guys are awesome to start, because you watching the videos and subscribing and sharing with your buddies and all that kind of thing over the past, what, 6-7-ish years or so, have allowed the YouTube channel to grow. And I think we're at 148,000 subs, or something like that, pushing 150. And I don't take any of that for granted. I appreciate it very, very, very much. Well, for those years, I've always done the filming and the editing myself, and I cannot tell you the nights I have stayed up at 1, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning editing videos several days, several nights a week, and then get up at 6 o'clock and have to go back to work and start all over and do it all over again. Well, the good news is I shouldn't have to do that anymore, because we hired a video editor. Whoo! That is just, oh man, I cannot tell you how excited I am about this, because those 80 to 90 hour work weeks that I've been putting in for the past 6, 7, 8 years, they go away, or at least I hope they go away. So this video you're watching is being edited by Isabella. She is our new video editor, and I'm just super excited to be working with her. So one of the reasons I'm talking to Isabella in this video is I want to introduce her to you guys, so y'all give her a warm welcome in the comments below. And I want to let you know that she'll be doing the editing, and so it may look a little bit different than what my style of editing has been, but she does a pretty good job of staying on track with that. But I want to throw all that out the door. She's going to do that after this video. Well, I don't know, it depends on what happens with this video. But this video is going to be a little bit different, because Isabella, you have free reign. You may do anything you want to in this video. You put the music to it, you do the time lapses, slow motion, I don't care. Do it your way, and have a good time, have fun doing it, and then we'll just kind of see what happens with it. So there you go. That's Isabella's video editing, and we'll kind of go off the comments and let you guys tell us what you think about it, and you know, whether it's a win-win or whether it's a you know, I'm sure she can take constructive criticism. So if you got any comments that you want to leave below and kind of maybe help her out, help me out, so we can kind of get this figured out. She and I have to get a system set up. She is local to me, so we need to get this system set up where I can get her the footage, the raw footage, quickly and efficiently. That way we can get them loaded and edited and all that kind of thing. Now I'm gonna say this, I'm gonna say it as humble as I can. Good luck keeping up with me, because now that I don't have to edit, that means I get to film a lot more things I do during the day. So one, I'll get to post much more videos on my pro channel. If you ain't seen my pro channel, I'll link that up in the description below. You can go over and check that out, where we're going to do more pro style, business oriented videos. And then of course the channel you're watching me right here, with me not having to edit no more, I'll be able to film more. So that means I can crank them out now. I can really crank them out. Of course, no, I'm not going to spend that 80 to 90 hours where I used to spend filming and editing, all filming. I'm not going to do that. But during the course of the day when I'm working, I'll be able to keep the camera with me and kind of, I don't know, almost show you everything. So just a word of warning, if you're going to keep up with me, you're going to have to hustle, because I'm a go-getter, and it's going to be, we'll see. We'll see how good you are at keeping up with me. So that's another one in the books. This one turned out fantastic. I mean, I could just sit right here and eat supper and look at it. I really, really like the finished job out here. It looks some kind of good. And the main thing here is, I hope the kids out here playing on this field just absolutely enjoy themselves and just have a blast getting to play on a field that is properly graded, looks like it's been maintained right, you know what I mean? Should get good true hops everywhere. So I'm stoked. I absolutely love my job. As always, I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch. I'll check you later.